Includes 1. Lutron Caseta Smart Switch, 1. Wireless Pico Remote, 1. Wall plate adapter, and 1. Wall plate, neutral wire required. Peace of mind. Set outdoor lights to turn on at dusk, so your family can return to a well-lit home. Most connected. Caseta connects with more leading smart home devices, including Alexa, Apple HomeKit, the Google Assistant, Ring, Serena Shades and Sonos, than any other smart lighting control brand. Outdoor entertaining. Transform your outdoor living space for family and guests by controlling patio deck lights. Create schedules to turn lights on, off at set times to best fit routines. Activate scenes with the touch of a button. Sunset tracker. Schedule outdoor lights to turn on every night as the sun sets, even when the seasons change and you gain or lose an hour. Smart three-way control. Place remote over existing electrical box with included bracket or add a new point of control anywhere in the home, without cutting holes or pulling wire. Geofencing. Smart lighting that knows when you come and go. Get an alert when you head out indicating you've left the lights on or automatically set lights to turn off, all based on your location. Control your way. Caseta puts the smarts in the switch so you can control your lights a variety of ways, via your smartphone, your voice, included wireless remote, or directly from the switch. Get more, spend less. One Caseta smart switch can control many bulbs at once. Make many bulbs smart, even your existing bulbs. Get smart control of multiple styles of LED, incandescent, and halogen bulbs. Technical details. Works with up to 600 W incandescent, halogen, ELC, MLV, 5 amps of LED, CFL or 3 amps of ceiling or exhaust fans. Neutral wire required for switch. Top reviews from the United States. I spent a lot of time researching and talking to professionals about a good solution for setting my front and back porch lights to a timer. I ended up giving this product a try. I called their customer service before purchasing to talk through my goals. The representative was great and pointed me in the right direction in terms of which kit to buy. The product advertises itself as something a homeowner could do themselves. I am very handy around the house, but after opening up my switch plate, I decided to call in a professional. Both areas where we wanted to install the switch were in a box with 3 other switches. There was a lot of wiring to move around, including finding the ground wire, etc. I just didn't feel comfortable taking 4 switches apart and risking messing something else up. It took my electrician less than an hour to install 2 of these switches for my front and back porch lights. If you can look at my photos, you can see how much is going on at the switch location. If you had a single switch, it may be something you could do yourself. But with electrical, always a good idea to be safe. I look forward to setting up some schedules for these lights. The app is super easy to use. FYI, if you want to use the app you need the bridge, which is why I bought this product, because it was like a starter kit. Again, recommended by the customer service representative. Just called Lutron and they can tell you what's best for your needs.